Hello everyone, it's time again for another Roy versus Food challenge. And today I'm bringing to you the banana and Sprite challenge. The idea of this challenge is to eat 2 full bananas, drink a liter of Sprite, and not throw up. I don't think it's going to be a problem. We'll see. Let's go ahead and get this thing started. Alright, let's see. I do have the bucket ready, just in case. I just had lunch, so this should be interesting. Let's see how Taco Bell, bananas, and Sprite goes. Alright. There's 1 banana. Banana 2. Alright. I guess you're supposed to drink the soda as fast as you can. That's what I've gathered. Kind of boring watching me eat bananas, huh? Alright, let's see. I'm almost done the bananas. That's the last bite of banana. There's 1, 2. Toss them in the puke bucket. Alright. First can, Sprite, unopened. One can. And 2. Nothing else makes for a good burp. Junky. Oh. Oh. Can 2. Oh, that was a good one. Last can. Getting full. Oh. This one's going slow. Alright, I can do this. Oh, it's going down hard now. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh, I'm getting full. Really full. Here we go. Uh-oh. A little bit in there, but 3 cans. That was more than a liter anyway. Alright. I'll give it a sec, but looks like I got nothing else but full of banana and Sprite. Sorry guys, no puking today. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for my next video. Hey, have a great day and thanks for watching.